anybody want to construct a home, definitely the affordable the rate of interest or getting a subsidy. Okay, investment in the infrastructure and development. This LIC are investing a whatever they get, collecting a premium from the individual, okay, the policy holder. So they try to go for investing for infrastructure like bridge constructions or new project, whatever they're collecting fund. Okay, so the again which is going for the investment, either investment can be infrastructure or project, okay, so which is necessary. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 4, Session 3, 5th semester, Financial Institution and Market BCom. The chapter name is Banking and Development Financial Institution. And today my agenda, you are getting more clarity about the continuations part of National Housing Bank, NHB, role of NHB and functions of NHB, and the role of Life Insurance Corporation, the functions of Life Insurance Corporation, okay, and role of General Insurance Corporations, the role of Unit Trust India, functions of Unit Trust India, the role of a State Finance Corporation, okay, and the last one is the functions of State Finance Corporation. I'm moving forward one by one. So the first one, the role of NHB, National Housing Bank. Okay, the first one, regulatory authority, because which is a main authority, okay, the regulatory authority under NHB. There are too many housing finance corporations are working, institutions are working, so they want to monitor, okay, that's what which is a regulatory authority. Whoever is going for the NHB is going for the refinancing here. Now the promotion of housing finance. Housing finance is very important because which is completely undertaken by the government of India. So you need to promote, okay, those who don't have any house, when they want to go for construction, so they want to depend on the finance, okay, so obviously the NHB is providing, okay. Next one, the refinancing institution. NHB under, there are too many housing finance institutions are working, okay, to just for promoting or developing the housing concept. So that's what the NHB is going for, refinancing. And the resource mobilizing. Resource mobilization means actually they are raising a fund through issuing a bond and debenture, okay, so in the capital market. Next one, prudential norms and regulations. So here the norms and regulation rules guideline for just for go for housing banking. Next one, research and development. So NHB are doing a research and development, the gathering information which is related to the credit and how the performance, doing for survey, preparing questionnaire, okay, so the real researcher. Okay, next one, promotion of affordable housing. Because you as the government of India, if you're talking related to the National Housing Bank, they are promoting the which is affordable financing, okay, affordable housing, because anybody want to construct a home, definitely the affordable the rate of interest or getting a subsidy, okay. And next one, capacity building. So in between the financial institute like other housing financial institute. Next one, monitoring and supervision. So once they whatever the norms and rules and regulation, okay, set frame the policy which is related to housing, so obviously they want to monitor timely, periodically, and go for supervisions. Next one, integrations with the government initiative, because which is coming under the government of India, okay, so the headquarters which is located in the New Delhi, so obviously the government integration part you can find. Next to the functions of NHB, the same thing which is regulation and supervisions. Regulation means there are different types of there are different housing financial institutions are working under the NHB, so obviously they want to regulate using just giving a policy or rules and regulation which is related to the housing financial institution. Next one, refinance operation, the same thing, the NHB are providing a credit facility to the housing financial institution. Next one, promotion and development. The promoting which is main focus here just for housing, okay, so the construction of house and development. Next one, resource mobilization. They are getting raising a capital formation with the help of issuing a debts as well as bonds and debenture. Next one, research and information dissemination. So again, the NHB are doing a functions like a research, which is related to the performance, conducting a survey or interview. Okay, how the practice rules and regulations are followed by the other financial institute, housing finance institute. Next one, for policy advocacy. So here whatever the policy are set for the other housing financial institution, which is NHB under only the policy are framed. And the insurance of housing loan, in case the premium is not payable to pay the individuals, so the definitely there is insurance will be recovery in case of a death. Okay, so next one, the promotion of housing financial institution. There under NHB, there are too many financial housing financial institutions are working. So we are promoting for other financial institution. Okay. Next one, capacity building. The credit guarantee fund, which is a guarantee fund, we are giving a long period. Okay, because house construction, which is going for the medium term and long term, not for short period. Next one, development activity. There are too many activity which is related to the housing, completely development activity, you can find out. So moving to the role of LIC, which is a life insurance corporation, okay, which is sole government, okay. Which is a policy issuation, because raising a policy, why, which is very important for the life insurance in case of death, in case of accident. So as a, which is a future save. Okay, when you are facing a future any consequence, you can recover with the help of LIC, which is a government organization. And the risk mitigation, you can reduce your risk, future risk you cannot predict. So that when you are going for LIC, you can reduce your risk factors. Next one, financial security. We can get the financial security whenever the individual or business individual person are taking LIC, definitely they can get the security. Next one, saving and investment. So which is unit link policy or money back policy or life insurance in case of any accidental happen or incidental happen, so the nominee are getting a benefit here. So that's why the saving is very important. We are contributing for, we are saving for life insurance corporation. The economic development, because economic development completely the fund is rising. Okay, so with the help which is nothing but the pooling money from the individual people. Okay, so obviously the economic development, wherever the necessity neglected section, we can go for investing. Okay, so this company, the LIC organizations also, they try to go for investing in the capital market. So next one, the promotion of insurance culture. We need to promote the insurance culture. So there is whenever we are creating awareness or giving an educations for the general public, so obviously we are doing a promotional activity under the life insurance corporation. Next one, social responsibility, which is a social responsibility. Definitely we need to give a welfare or so good environment so that they can get the benefit here. Next one, rural outreach. We are reaching for the each urban as rural. Regulatory confluence, so which is life insurance, which is completely insurance regulatory development. Okay, so organization which is completely taking a regulations under. Next one, customer service. We are providing a customer service. Customers whenever they want to get a loan with the help of LIC, easily they can get a premium also we are collecting. So there are a lot of service are providing to the general public or customers. Now, functions of LIC, one is a no issue, no doubt, which is the issuation of insurance coverage. Okay, insurance coverage, either money back or unit link, okay, or accidental. So the insurance will be covering, because we are in the critical situation. Okay, so that we can, if you do for LIC, we can get the recovery. Next one, saving and investment part. We are individual, they are investing money. Okay, so that we are investing in future benefits. Next one, annuity and pension plan. Annuity is nothing but annual payment. Okay, so the pension plan we are investing. Next one, social security. We need, so we are living in the society, we need security for. Okay, next one, financial inclusions. Investment in the infrastructure and development. This LIC are investing a whatever they get, collecting a premium from the individual, okay, the policy holder. So they try to go for investing for infrastructure like bridge constructions or new projects. So, okay, Now next one, customer service and education. Whenever we are providing a scheme like insurance policy, we are doing serving for the customer, because the customer, we call it as a policy holder here, and we are educating people to go for investing in the LIC. Okay, next one, corporate social responsibility. The same point are repeating here. We each and every corporate, each and every business, each and every individual, they have a responsibility for the society. Next one, regulatory compliance, which is completely regulated by Insurance Regulation Development Authority, so in India. Moving to the next one, role of general insurance. So apart from life, whatever we are talking related to property, asset, okay, so each and everything we can do for general insurance here, vehicle. Okay, so the first one, risk assessment and underwriting. The risk assessment, so in future we cannot predict. For that reason we are trying to go for insurance, just for safeguard, okay, ourselves. Next one, policy issuation. Here also premium want to pay. Okay, so the general insurance are making a policy according to the capital amount or principal amount. Now the premium collection, general insurance, they are collecting a premium. The premium may be your property insurance or vehicle insurance. Okay, so there are different, apart from health, whatever which is coming under the insurance, which is related to general insurance corporation, which is also controlled. Next one, claim processing. Now claim processing means, suppose your vehicle is met an accident, you can go for claiming. Okay, so just for filling the application form, for claim application form, so the process will be taken care by the general insurance corporation. Next one, risk mitigation and loss prevention. So if you are not doing a general insurance which is related to property, or okay, in case of any damage, in case of any accident, so you cannot recover. So the future risk we can go for prevention. Next one, product development innovation. So whenever we are introducing any policy, any particular policy which is related to general insurance corporation, okay, so that is nothing but the financial product we are developing. Next one, the customer service. There are too many customers are going for general insurance, either they are doing insurance which is related to property or house related. Okay, next one, compliance and regulation, which is also controlled, majorly regulated by the Indian Insurance Regulator Authority of India. Okay, so which is next one, reinsurance. Reinsurance means once general insurance corporations are collecting insurance from the policy holders, they are trying to go for reinvesting for other companies. Next one, investment management. Here we are investing, the general insurance corporation, whatever they are collecting a insurance policy from the insurance policy holder, so they are trying to go for investing for a capital market. Okay, so that they can generate the revenue. Moving to the role of Unit Trust India. The first one, Unit Trust India, next to mutual fund pioneering, because their role is actually they want to go for investing in the mutual fund. Mutual fund, which is nothing but the diversification of product. Here our company, we are in our investment is going for the diversity, right? Next one, saving mobilizing. Okay, saving mobilizing means actually we are mobilizing. Okay, we are pooling the money. United Trust India is pooling money from the small saver, and the diverse investment opportunity option, whatever they're collecting fund. Okay, so again, which is going for the investment, either investment can be infrastructure or project. Okay, so which is necessary. The professional fund management. Here there are too many professions are working under the United Trust. They try to manage the fund. Okay, next one, risk diversification. If you are investing one specific company, whatever if the company is going profit or loss, obviously as the investors want to face the problem. At the same time, if your money, whatever they're collecting, which is going for the different company, so obviously the risk also diversified here. Next one, market stabilizing. Market stabilization means actually we are stabilizing the market using the instruments. Next one, government participation. Here the major government participation is very important. Okay, next one, innovative financial product. We are inventing the product like which is related to the financial product. Okay, next one, investor education. They want to educate the investor. Okay, then only the investors are coming friend to go for investing. Next one, regulatory confluence, which is also completely regulated authority. Next one, redemptions and distribution. So anything which is redeemable natures, okay, and the distribution which is going properly for investing the distributing fund. Next, the functions of Unit Trust India. The main functions, one is mobilizing. We are mobilizing fund money from the general public. Next one, investment manner. The same amount is going for the different investment concept like a project or infrastructure or development stage. Next one, risk or diversification. Thus, the percentage of risk will be diversified into different finance product. Professional fund management, same thing. Providing an investment option, we have an investment, the liquidity easily we can convert into cash. Next one, tax benefit. When we are investing in the Unit Trust India, so obviously the investors are getting a tax benefit. And next one, investor education, we are educating. Next, regular reporting. It's very important, regular reporting in the whatever is going on the activity or transaction. Compliance and regulation, which is also role we are taking. Unit Trust India, which is taking a compliance role as well as regulation role. Moving to the role of State Finance Corporation. The State Finance Corporation, okay, in India there are total 19 State Finance Corporation now, which is 18. Okay, the first one, the state, each and every state, we can find out the State Finance Corporation, okay, which is going for the creditor. One is first one, financial assistant. So those who need finance support, so this specific organization are providing a financial assistant. Now next one, credit delivery. Credit delivery in the sense, actually we are providing a credit facility. Next one, risk mitigation. We can reduce the risk. Next one, promotion of entrepreneur. We are promoting State Finance Corporation, entrepreneur, new startup, they are going for financing. Next one, industry special focus, which is mainly focusing on the industry. Next one, technical and managerial assistant. So if anybody want to start any company or a small scale industry, if they don't have any idea about the technical part or even the managerial skill, so obviously the State Finance Corporations are providing a program, conducting program, or giving a training. Next, refinancing and rediscounting, which is also the State Finance Corporations are giving for finance support for other financial institution. Okay, next one, monitoring and evaluation. Regularly they want to monitor what exactly is going under the State Finance Corporation. Okay, and the evaluations also will be happening here. Next one, contribution to regional development, so which is mainly focused on the region. Okay, so which is coming under the State Finance Corporation. Next, the functions of State Finance Corporation, the same thing here, financial assistant, the project financing. These specific institutions are providing a finance for the project, different projects are undertaken. The promotion of small and medium enterprise, small and medium enterprise, just promoting. And working capital assistant, because starting a business or industry or small scale industry, working capital is very important. So these State Finance Corporations are providing the working capital. Now, technical and managerial assistant, same thing. Next one, refinancing, which is going for which financial institute are giving credit facility for the small and medium or startup company. Okay, so which is refinancing. And the risk capital, which is obviously capital. When you're rising, there is a lot of risk are connected for capital. Next, market survey and research, which is taken care by the State Finance Corporation. The research is everywhere is playing a very important role. Okay, so that we can collect the information, we conducting a survey. Next one, bridge financing, which is finance is one kind of bridge, very important for economical development. Next, promotions of entrepreneurship. We are promoting, State Finance Corporations are promoting a new entrepreneur, those who are keen interested to start. Next, rehabilitations for sick unit. Whenever the sick unit means, actually there is no productivity once they are identified. So obviously the finance support and other supports are provided by the State Finance Corporations. Next, monitoring and evaluations are necessary under the State Finance Corporation. Keep on watch for next section. Thank you.